Hello and welcome to Covertix SmartCipher classification demo. In the demonstration today, we are going to go over Covertix new classification features. We'll start out by sending a classified email. We'll click New Email and then enter in my colleague's email address. This is a sensitive email and I'll enter some body. Let's discuss our new M&A deal. And because this is a very sensitive email, I will classify it as secret by clicking the secret button. As you can see, by clicking the secret button, I have a frame with a red border. I have a frame that appears around the mail body of my mail. Also, the classified as secret is automatically added to the subject of my email. I will now move to my colleague's email inbox. As you can see, when my colleague gets the email, it's classified as secret and he immediately knows that it's a sensitive email. Opening the email, he can see visually that it is a sensitive email by the red border. And also the classified as secret in the subject line. We'll close the email and we will now open a Word document. As you can see, the Word document already contains some sensitive information. Let's classify this Word document as internal by clicking the blue button, which has asserted classification around the document. It also adds a watermark with a visual indicator of the inserted classification type. In our case, marked as internal. We can also note that there's a header added to the document that shows the inserted classification. We will now print to see what happens when we print the document. So we select Print, select the printer, print all. Let's call the output internal and save. And we can see that by viewing the output of the printout, we can see that the watermark and the header are still visible from the printout. And the same would go if I would print directly to a printer, of course. Looking at my company balance sheet in an Excel file, this document is highly confidential, but it still doesn't contain the sensitive information. So let's add some sensitive information to the Excel sheet. This document is now confidential. So to make sure that everybody knows that this is confidential information, we'll click the confidential button. As you can see, there is a frame around the Excel worksheet now, telling me that this is a confidential document. Covertix can protect any kind of file. And as we can see in this DWG viewer, that is classified as confidential as well. This is also visually indicated by the orange frame that has been added to the classified drawing. Thank you very much for attending today's session.